What's up guys, today I'm throwing at you, you get it, pun intended, the quickest and easiest tutorial on throwing stars or ninja stars. They're super easy, you can use any printout or any design on them. I printed these ones from the internet, and then these ones I just bought from a package from the dollar store. Super quick, all you need is 2 sheets of paper and 3 minutes of your time. Let's go check it out. This is the video. I hope you try it and you have as much fun as I did. Let me know in the comments what other origamis you would like to see, and if you'd like to see more like ninja stuff or animals or stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to give me your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!